This is my old electric rotary cutter. It is feeling neglected because it has been stuck with the same old blade for too long. As you can see, it is starting to resemble a butter knife more than a cutting tool. Today it's time to show it some love with a fresh replacement. First, disconnect the power source for your safety. You need to have a flathead screwdriver and an angle grinder wrench. Use the wrench to hold the blade in position and remove the screw with the screwdriver. Now very carefully remove the blade. You may use tweezers to avoid cutting your fingers. If you don't have an angle grinder wrench, you may not be able to remove the screw because it will spin along with the blade. You can use a sewing core or something metal and pointy and stick it inside the hole on the blade. It will stop the blade from rotating and you will be able to remove the screw easily. This is the new plate I bought. It is not a circular one, but the salesman in the store told me that this is not a problem. If you look closely, you will see that each blade has two sides. This is the front side of the blade. And the flat side is the back side. Carefully put the new blade into the cutter. Now place the screw and tighten it with your hand or use the screwdriver. Then use the angle grinder wrench to keep the blade in place and tighten the screw all the way. If you don't have an angle grinder wrench, you can use the sewing hoe again. It will prevent the blade from spinning while you're tightening the screw. At this point we can connect the power cord and test the cutter. You can drop 1 or 2 drops of oil at the lubrication point. And now we can check if the new blade will work. Typically, I never cut this type of fabric with this cutter, but it is perfect for testing the blade. As you can see, it is cutting the fabric like butter. By the way, this is the worst fabric for cutting and testing the blade with. It's a very stretchy artificial fabric for sewing leggings. Now I will make a test with some nice cotton fabric. The cut is very precise and there aren't any sticking threads. I'm very pleased with the new knife. Tell me, do you have an electric rotary cutter and do you use it regularly? I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you next time.